To find WorldPay direct integration, you need to understand what WorldPay is and how it works. WorldPay is a payment processing company that allows businesses to accept payments online and offline. Direct integration with WorldPay enables merchants to process transactions directly on their website without redirecting customers to a third-party site. First step is to visit the WorldPay website and navigate to the developer section. Here you will find all the necessary documentation and guides to integrate WorldPay with your website. You will need to create a WorldPay account and obtain a client ID and API key to use in your integration. Next step is to choose the integration method that suits your business needs. WorldPay offers various integration methods including server-to-server, client-side, and hosted payment pages. Server-to-server integration allows you to process transactions directly on your server, while client-side integration processes transactions on the client browser. You will also need to decide on the payment methods you want to offer your customers. WorldPay supports various payment methods including credit and debit cards, online banking, and alternative payment methods. You will need to configure these payment methods in your WorldPay account and integrate them with your website. To integrate WorldPay with your website, you will need to use the WorldPay API. The API provides a set of endpoints that allow you to process transactions, retrieve payment information, and manage your WorldPay account. You will need to use a programming language such as Java, Python, or PHP to integrate the API with your website. When integrating WorldPay with your website, it is essential to follow best practices to ensure security and compliance. You will need to ensure that your website is PCI compliant and that you are handling sensitive payment information securely. You should also use secure protocols such as HTTPS to encrypt payment data. In conclusion, integrating WorldPay directly with your website requires a good understanding of the WorldPay API and payment processing. By following the steps outlined in this guide and using the WorldPay documentation, you can successfully integrate WorldPay with your website and start processing transactions directly. Remember to follow best practices to ensure security and compliance.